guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get right into the video. Today I will be doing full cover nail tips, of course. What else? I'm gonna be trying out the Gelx or gel-like EC nail tips. I got them in medium almond, and yeah, let's start applying them. I want these nails to last this time, so I'm gonna be applying a primer and dehydrator to my nails. I haven't used primer and dehydrator in such a long time. Now I'm gonna apply a layer of nail glue to my nails. I saw this one girl using nail glue and cured it before she applied her full cover nail tip, and I haven't done this before. Like, I've been putting the nail glue on, put some on the full cover nail, and then I've been curing it with the full cover nail on. So I never done this before, and I wanted to try it out to see if there was like a difference or not. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna be applying the full cover nails today. All right, and I will be curing this for 30 seconds. All right, the base is on. Now I'm gonna be gluing them on. I'm using my nail glue from the Beatles, and I just made sure that the nail tip fits from sidewall to sidewall. I did have to file a little bit here on the edges to make the shape right, so it fits better to my nail form. Now I'm just gonna apply a layer to the inside of the nail and leave like a good amount of excess in there. I always have to use a little bit more gel on my thumbnail because my thumbnail is kind of flat. So I have my gooseneck lamp here. You cannot see it, but that's how I'm gonna be flash curing the nail. I'm gonna turn on my gooseneck lamp in advance, and then I'm just gonna try to go as close as possible to the cuticle area and press down the nail and make sure there's no air bubbles and flash cure. All right, moving on to the next one. Once everything is flash cured, I'm gonna be putting this in my nail lamp for 30 seconds. Nail tips are on, and I must say I do have like a few air bubbles, like only on the side of the nail basically. I never had like this issue before where I had like air bubbles just on the side of the nail. I don't know why this happened, but yeah, I don't know if my like application was bad this time. Like I said, I don't usually have like this kind of air bubble on the side, which is kind of weird, but oh well. Now I'm just gonna be crisping up the shape a little bit and remove the shine. Okay, so you do have to seal in like the end of the tip. Some people do it with like acetone to blend it in, but I don't like that. I feel like it weakens the nail tip, so I'm just gonna use my e-file to do that. And I like using my medium grit for this. Alright, nail tips are ready. Let's get into the nail art. This is the nail inspo, by the way. I thought it was really cute, and honestly, I'm so ready for like Valentine's Day, going into spring nail sets. So I'm really excited. I thought that was really cute and the perfect start. I know it's just 1 week after New Year's, but I'm ready, okay? I'm tired of like this cold kind of looking nail sets. So I want to have something refreshing. So I'm gonna paint my middle finger and my pinky white. Okay, I'm probably gonna need 2 coats, but I will be curing this now. Moving on, I'm gonna paint this nail and this nail a nude color. I tried this one out, but now I saw this color and I was like, I want to try this out instead. It's more like a brighter pink, so you know, if they don't match, it doesn't matter to me. Alright, now I will be putting on a layer of this pink. I really like the combination of these 2 pinks. Okay, and I will be curing. Alright, moving on to the French tip. Cute, and now I will be curing. Alright, let's draw the strawberries. I think I'm gonna be using my dotting tool to make the strawberries. I'm gonna be using my Marquard rhinestone glue. I'm gonna put a good amount on here, and then I'm gonna go over with some top coat. Okay, and cure. All right, now I'm gonna be attaching the pearls. And here are the finished nails. I had so much fun doing these nails. I don't think they turned out that great, just because I don't think the colors match too well. And I think these, like, I have this thing with Gelx. Like, the cuticle area doesn't look as great as like with polygel. Like, this is polygel and looks like nice and crisp. I do like Gelx when I do like the overlay method, but I didn't do it this time. So the cuticle area doesn't look too great, but overall I love the design. It's so cute. I'm ready to do some more nail sets like that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.